Hi there, I'm Lori, Regional Sales Manager for our RV division, and today I'm here to talk to you about our new standard features that come on our Game Changer Pro Series. Starting with our new graphics package. You also get your choice of exterior color, the blackout trim package, our frameless windows, 2 exterior scene lights come under the awning, our Goodyear tires, the wall insulation is upgraded, and all of the roof vents on the unit will come standard with a built-in low-profile rain guard. That's it for our exterior features. Come and join me inside and I'll show you the interior. Thanks for joining me inside. The first feature that I'd like to show you is our recessed airline track in the floor. The second thing that we're going to talk about is our configurable furniture track. That will include sofas, our dinette tables, which come with folding chairs or the sleeper sofa, and our new fold-down tables are now included in our configurable furniture track. Those will come in 30, 48, and 72-inch sections. Our last feature for the interior is our cabinetry. Where applicable, it will come with our adjustable shelves. If you have any questions about what I went over with you today, please feel free to contact your local dealer and they can assist you. Thanks for joining.